Let's check how we can apply loan through SESMoney. Let's check some facts about SESMoney. SESMoney is India's largest digital lending platform. Through SESMoney, we can provide EMI for all those who are not having credit card history or civil scores. We can provide loan for them also, and easy repayment, EMI payments via UPI. We can make EMI payments through UPI also. So let's check some difference about SESMoney and other leading finance providers. CIBIL score. SESMoney accepts low or no CIBIL score, but others not accepting without CIBIL score. Applicant range. Those who are above 18 years, SESMoney providing loan for them. For others, age we need 25 years. Employment requirement. For SESMoney, salaried and self-employed. For others, salaried individual with a work experience of 3 years or more. Scalability or coverage. All PIN codes of India, Pan India. For this, total cities covered less than 40 Tier 1 and Tier 2. Salary requirement for SESMoney is monthly salary should be 11k or more for salaried, and same for self-employed. And for others, minimum salary must be 30 to 40,000. Loan order. SESMoney allows purchase of multiple products per loan, but others allows purchase of only one product per loan. Cancellation or refund. SESMoney, you can easily cancel and make refund policy. Strict rules on cancellation. Loan request. So let's check the pricing details. Minimum DP should be 20% of the product amount, and maximum DP should be 50% of the basket amount. And SESMoney will take 1% of the loan amount plus GST as MTR. It's just like a commission. And the processing fees is 3% plus GST of the loan amount, and the tenures is 3, 6, 9 and 12 months. Interest rate is 17% and declining. Minimum loan amount. The minimum loan amount is 3,000 and the maximum loan amount is 3 lakh. Mode of DP, cash on delivery. So let's check how we can calculate the pricing. If the product price is 70,000, then the down payment will be 20,000 and the loan amount will be 50,000. The processing fees of the 50,000 is 1,770. And the total amount collected by the dealer is 21,770. MTR will be 590. That will be taken from the dealer only. The SESMoney statement to settlement to dealer is 47,640. Sorry. Okay. Let's check the pre-qualification criteria. Age should be 18, in between 18 to 65. Minimum salary should be 11k as we discussed earlier. Minimum salary for self-employed will be 11k. The CIBIL score will be 650 plus. the customer should have Aadhaar linked mobile number so that we can get OTP in that number for KYC. Testimony also cater for CIBIL score in between 600 to 650, but the income or salary should be minimum 35k. Just check how we can log in to the Testimony. So Testimony will provide username and password for all dealers. You have to enter the username and password for login and click login, and then we have to fill up the product details. First of all, product name, product price, product quantity, and then the customer details, customer's name, customer phone number, customer's email ID, down payment amount, and then you have to select the tenure and submit. So then you will get a transaction number. You have to note the transaction number for further proceedings. Now our application is created successfully. Now the account creation for the customer. First of all, you have to select the EMI plan, that how much amount you have to pay monthly. So first select the EMI plan and then click continue. Then you have to create customer account. For that you have to enter customer's phone number, enter the customer email ID, and click on this to get OTP. You will get OTP in your mobile number or in your email. Then you have to fill up the personal details: customer's name, gender, date of birth, Aadhaar number, PAN number, and then you have to enter the address of the customer. Click on the save and continue. Then you have to click on the same and continue. Then you have to fill up the employment details of the customer. First you have to, if you are salaried, you have to select salaried or self-employed. Then you have to give, if you are salary, you have to give company name. You have to give monthly salary, monthly expense, and then you have to fill up with whom you live. Select from the drop down. And if you are self-employed, then you have to fill up the options below. If you are having a shop or something else and you want to take a loan in the company or your shop name, you have to give the company current account details and other things. Now if the customer wants to give his savings accounts, you can proceed normally. Then you have to, the next step is your income verification. There is 3 mode of income verification. First one, net banking. Next one is statement and bank statement hard copy. You have to upload the hard copy manually. Okay. Mode 1, income verification via net banking. So for that you have to if you are selecting income verification through net banking, another page will you can see another page, that is not testimony page, that is your bank page. You have to select the bank from the drop down, enter the net banking username and password. So testimony will never save any username and password. Okay. E-statement, you can upload the e-statement directly by downloading the e-statement or downloading the statement from your email and then uploading from the iPhone, your phone, or okay. And another is from net banking. And the third mode is bank statement hard copy. Check. For that, checklist provided is check the dates from the date of application to last 3 months. In case of salaries, his employer's name should be clearly visible. Bank seal should be present. How to upload bank statement hard copy. Scan via CAM scanner, convert into PDF, upload it into portal. Bank account confirmation. If the customer has selected net banking, this detail would get automatically filled. Otherwise, you have to fill up it manually. Click yes if the Aadhaar is linked with your bank. Keep no if Aadhaar is not linked. Additional documents required. At this point, the system runs a few checks. At times, the customer may receive an email asking for submission of few supporting documents for income. Additional document could be following: co-applicant bank statement or details, relationship proof with the co-applicant, customer's secondary bank statement, etc. Once the customer submit that document, it will take about 50 minutes for the system display the latest application status. Now the application is received. The application is received. The backend will review it and will revert within 10 minutes. Ping the customer details in our WhatsApp support number and take the update. After 10 minutes, click on the customer link again to get the decision. Loan is approved. Point to remove. Wait for approval email from SEST. Collect DP and processing fees. Loan rejection. If the loan is rejected, you should ask the customer to wait for another 3 months. Step 4, KYC details. If the loan is approved, then you have to upload the KYC details. You have to click. You have to take your selfie, and you have to click. Looks good. If your face is clear, then you have to upload your Aadhaar. You can verify your Aadhaar through online. For that, you have to enter your Aadhaar number, captcha, and proceed. And then the one OTP will come, and you have to enter the OTP and have to provide other things. If you are not verifying the Aadhaar through online, you have to take the photo and upload it to the money application. And then you have to fill up the additional details like father's name, mother's name, your marriage status, etc. Down payment and loan agreement. Then you can take the down payment and PF processing fees can be paid by selecting pay on delivery option. And next step is repayment. Next setup. What is repayment setup? Repayment setups are done to ensure that the customer's monthly EMI are getting debited on time. Repayment setup can be done in 2 ways: standing instruction, match document upload. Standing instruction can be done in 2 ways: by net banking, by debit card. Repayment setup via NACH. NACH is document for setting direct auto debit for loan repayment at customer's beck and call. How to upload the NACH? Download NACH, or if you have a hard copy, get customer's signature, upload NACH. The signature should be clear. Within 10 minutes the loan will get activated. Sample of NACH documents. Do's and don'ts on NACH. NACH do's. NACH should be signed in black or blue ink. Signature on NACH should be manual and not digital. The signature should be approved. The name of the customer. Photo of the NACH should be taken in a proper light to avoid blurriness. In the case of current account holders, a seal is required along with signature. Don'ts. Signature should not be created via MS Paint. At this will reject a NACH mandate. Signature on NACH should not be vertical or any other direction. Photo of the NACH should not be taken from a far distance. A manual signature should not have any ruled paper background or anything such. The signature should not be in marker or sketch pen. The signature should be neither very large size nor very small size. Repayment setup via net banking. Select net banking and click proceed. Select the bank from the drop down. Review the bank details and click on authenticate. For standing instruction via debit, select debit card and click on proceed. Enter the customer's phone number and email ID. Enter the debit card details. Thank you.